Hi everyone. In this video we're going to take a look at how you can quickly access the Google Play Store to download Android applications to run on your Chromebook. And this is relatively simple to do. All you have to do is come down to the bottom left hand corner to access your app launcher. And then we're going to expand this window here. And you might have to scroll through your app drawer to find the Play Store. But once you do, go ahead and click on Play Store. And when the window appears, you'll have a list of applications that can be downloaded to your Chromebook. Now, these are only applications that have been approved by the domain for you to use on your device. So you can see we have a couple loaded up in here, and I'm going to go ahead and just click into Video Editor. And the only thing I have to do to add this to my device is click the Install button. The application will download to my device. I'll get a little notification in the bottom right-hand corner letting me know that the Video Editor has been successfully installed. I'll go ahead and click Open. And now I'm running the physical WeVideo application on my Chromebook. What I can also do is I can two-finger click on the Play Store to pin this application to my toolbar. And any other application that I do download can be pinned to my taskbar as well. So I'll go ahead and close out of this. I'll close out of the App Store. And now you can see at any given time I can go ahead and launch into WeVideo. Now again, only applications that have been approved in the domain will be able to be downloaded to your device. Teachers, if you have applications that you'd like to be added to our Google Play Store, please feel free to send us an email at sos@d220.org.